Tinawag na ko.
Magmas na lang po.
Yeah, we're ready.
Git-git man. Ayun. Kung pa rin kagato diri David?
First time. Guys, ina siya kuan ka.
Ano di sexy ka there?
Oo. Wala giting ka.
Going to SG Farm.
Nakapink ako.
It's so
Part of
cozy.
protected area. Ang SG Farm? Mo galing ano ang usan ni na i-issue karon niya kuan ang kanang isa ka barangay ni
Si Mount Batutom ni nun? Mount Batutom. Ang Mount Batutom yun daw kay dagan na kay water ya. Oh my god, SG Farm. This is it. Wala ka dakag tao. Oh my god. SG Farm, we are here. Lifetime. Finally, we are here in SG Farm.
So cool.
It's so cold here.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Huh?
It's so cold.
Doon ako na perting tugnawa dito dahil lo.
It's so cold, but the wind is not bad.
Ta.
Hi.
Charot. Charot.
It's ready.
Ah, diba? See? Pancake sakyan nun. Pila?
100 po. Ilang taon na may bata, ma'am?
6.
6 years old po namin yung regular na po. Yung 5 years old po, pari pa social dito ito isa. Bali out.
Bali, 4. Ah, sa cashier na.
Thank you.
Ikaw, big, manggano ka.
For me?
Yeah.
Yay.
Here's the... Okay.
Where we meet it?
I don't know. You ask them.
It's like a ticket. Huh?
Oh my gosh. There is a souvenir store. Bima, na souvenir store. Oh.
Bunnies? Bunnies. There's bunnies. There's
Sexy kaya akong friendship.
Mommy, to the letter.
Yeah, you can
I
go
want
there.
a picture in the letter.
Oh, but be careful.
Okay.
Ay, permente din sila. Ano dari no puno. Uy, gwapo mag-overnight. You can overnight here. See, it's so nice. But I don't know how much per night here. Maybe expensive dahil. Yeah, see?
Can I put my what?
She wearing so they have also restaurant here. Samyakma, I don't know how to read it, but it's restaurant. You can buy food there. Very cute, cute, cute. Ang sabi?
Kasi na ba, magbaliktad ba ni?
Ang pati mo. This one is egg pie and coconut pie. They You can see. Wow.
Dere o.
Is it gonna hurt me?
No.
Dere ka o, dere. Dere ka o, dere ka. Ayun.
Wait. Wala ko. Bulabin ako. Ano? Saan hindi rin?
Mga ano naman.
Tela, picturean lang na vegetables. What is this? Hydroponics. So cute.
I'm looking! This is not what I'm looking!
Wow. Marag na ikaslon.
Mommy, a horse! Mommy! The horse!
That so nice. Wow, so nice. My friends are there. Oh, here. Uy, hala ka ang horse. Iya. Yeah. Iya. Ano, pa-picture mo sa horse? Oh.
Hi, cute horse!
Kaki. Oh. So, we're tired now. We're done here. So, we're going back to the car. Oh, Iyang! Swing. Yan, iyak eh. Wow, so scary. Let's see. OMG. It's cost 50 pesos. 50 pesos, yeah. Scary. I'm going back to the car with my friends. My friends already there, so I need to hurry. So bye bye SG Farm. Bye bye to you. Oh, ano naman? Oh, asa man? Sure. Asa lang tabli yun eh.
Gusto mo na?
Pwede na may Gcash bayad?
Wala sila.
Kung ano lang.
Ano? Table. Isa lang. Oh, isa lang.
Okay, let me see Tabia. Wow, 135. I'm going out now. Here we go. Woo!
Mahal.
Mahal kayo.
Okay na niyo. Bang po sa te.
150 do sa kabalot.
Daga na din.
Hati taday?
150 ang isa kabalo.
75.
Dahil pa siya.
Gahi pa siya. Di pa siya luto, no? Di pa siya luto.
Ito,
Hati ta. So, we buy avocado here. Only 150.
Hi vlog. Nami diri sa ano.
Nami diri sa secret. Charot.
Dapat sa din.
Nami siya doon. Pineapple field. Nagtambay lang abi sa sila sa balay.
Unang project yung sa Research and Development Guild.
Asa siya karon?
Nakakata siya sa other countries na.
Oh, Inday.
Tapos ano siyang parang agri-tourism.
Sino to?
Ha?
Filipino.
Filipino.
lagi na ang UP. Oh, UP.
Karoon, nag-boom yun siya.
Go home.
We're not going yet.
Uy, we're going to Coronadal na biya. Coronadal na, di ba?
Now we're going to Marcao.
Oh, we're going to Marvel. So we're good and I'm gonna start.
I don't know.
I-video ko ang ang ulan. It's raining! It's raining.
Raining here.
Ha?
See?
Sa?